off our 5th STEAM Festival. Imagine Upstate is quickly becoming one of the most engaging festivals in downtown Greenville. Over 15,000 festival goers from all over South Carolina come to this event. We have everyone from K-12 to seniors in high school. This Saturday, it's going to be our event, the 5th annual, 11 to 5 p.m., and it's going to be at a new location right here on Main Street, and including Falls Park, so we'll be right from Court Street to Augusta Street, right here on Main Street.
Imagine Upstate offers students an opportunity to experience activities and technologies that they might not otherwise have the chance to encounter. It's our hope that by introducing kids to a wide range of STEAM subjects at a young age, we're preparing them and ultimately the Upstate for a brighter, more successful future.
But this year, I'm very excited to announce that we're going to have over 80 festival exhibitors. So that's actually the most we've ever had. This is our 5th annual, so it keeps growing and growing every single year. So we're going to offer hands-on learning experiences that captures a child's imagination and make learning fun.
Attendees are also encouraged to follow Imagine Upstate on Facebook and Instagram to win great prizes through the festival day. Imagine Upstate would not be possible without the support of our community partners, including ScanSource, Bosch, Fluor, Duke Energy, and Piedmont Natural Gas, and BMW. We look forward to seeing you all on Saturday in downtown Greenville. Thank you.